Street saga. So sources have told us that Jane Street is likely to be back in Indian markets. My colleague Charu is joining us with more details on this story.
As per the sources that NDTV Profit spoke to, the high-frequency trading firm Jane Street is, likely to come back into Indian markets after receiving a sort of, approval to come back from the market regulator, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Now, this development has also been communicated to market infra institutions, for example, the exchanges, depositories, custodians, and others. Now, we do not have a statement from the firm as of now because they have not publicly, released a statement about their plan of action going ahead. However, there has been some information from the sources coming in saying that the nod from the regulator has come in. Now, this is not something that happened a while back because even until the middle of last week, we were informed that no development on this has come regarding the approval for the firm. However, there was also a meeting with the representatives of the firm with the regulator, and these developments are now following up. Now, this is happening after the firm has deposited the penalty amount from the interim order, that is over 4,800 crore rupees in an escrow account. After that, as stipulated in the interim order itself, the approval to enter back has been given. Now, we must also understand that over 40,000 crore rupees gains which SEBI did not approve of were likely made as per the interim order by the firm, and this is only in one of the indices. Several other indices also need to be investigated. Several other orders could also follow up. We also understand that the quantum of penalty as well as the quantum of illegal gains made could also, be bigger than what we have right now. But for now, it seems like a relief.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Charu, for getting us those details there. Now, sources have told us that a negotiation team from the US is set to visit India for another round of trade talks. So this comes after the Indian team returned from Washington last week after concluding 5th round of talks. So let's go across to my colleague Rishabh Bhatnagar, who is joining us on the phone line.